This week I received two letters from with the stamp from Finnish collectors, which I have been exchanging stamps with. So this I got earlier this week. And this got some nice variation of stamps from different countries. This big envelope I have not opened. I will open it now. And there's one letter with the nice stamp, 1,5 marka, postmark Helsinki, Helsingfors, 28th of May 1937 at 19, that's 7 o'clock in the evening. And this is a firm in Helsinki, Skoa. I don't know what that is. And here's an old one, also postmarked Helsingfors with the Finnish and the Russian name. Helsinki, the Swedish, the Finnish and the Russian name. And this is from 1903, 8th of March 1903. And here we have a nice stamp with an elk on. Sent from Helsinki, Helsingfors, in 24th of February 1954. Also an arrival postmark. I will not try to pronounce that. Here is the stamps I received from the first Finnish collector, and there were 81 different stamps from a lot of countries, all that was missing in my collection. So this is great. This is very nice to receive. And as far as I can see, all was in fairly good condition. So I'm satisfied.